So this is kind of a classic two-step equation, which should be some review, but I'm just going to quickly give you a fast solution. So I'm going to add 12 to both sides because I want to isolate or get that 8x by itself. So I'm left with 8x equals 48, but I don't want to know what 8x's are, I want to know what 1x is, so I'm going to use division to split it into parts of 1, and then use division, and I'm left with x equals 6. So every x has a value of 6. So we had one other problem that was our warm-up today. So on question number 2, we had 3x plus 2, and then that was in parentheses 3x plus 4, and that was all set equal to 26. So in order to solve this one, we have a little bit more we need to do. Yesterday we learned about the distributive property, so I'm going to start by simplifying or getting rid of these parentheses using the distributive property. So 2 times 3x would be 6x, and 2 times 4, that's a positive 4, would be 8. But then we also, in class yesterday, talked about how we can combine like terms, but remember that's when they're on the same side of the equation. So 3x and 6x would be 9x plus 8 equals 26. And now that I've taken care of the distribution first and the combining like terms, I can now solve this two-step equation. So I'm going to subtract 8 and subtract 8. So as I do this, I'm just going to scroll down a little bit. I'm left with 9x on the left side of the equation and 18 on the right side of the equation. Then I can divide by 9 on both sides, and my final answer would be x equals 2.